Good afternoon and welcome to the final lesson on volume. Today's learning objective, boys and girls, can I explore volume one final time? Boys and girls, this is a short lesson, but it is a fun lesson. I have got a super Red Star challenge coming up, so keep watching until the end of the video for that Red Star challenge. Boys and girls, the first task is the volume challenge. And on this dojo post, I have included 6 sheets where there are some volume questions, and these volume questions are designed to push your thinking skills. So look at the challenges, read the questions with your mom or dad, and try your best to answer them. Now, volume questions don't lend themselves well to written answers, so here's what you've got to do for us. Can you upload a video of you answering the question using your words? Telling me the answer to the question in your words and telling me how you got the answer. So pick any one of these question sheets. Take a video recording of you answering the question in words and how you got to the answer, and then upload it onto your portfolio. That's the first task, and I'm calling it the volume challenge. Boys and girls, just to clarify with the volume challenge one more time, a video of you answering just one of the questions. Because if you upload a video of yourself answering all 6 of the questions, the video will be too long to fit on the dojo machine. So just one, please, boys and girls. And this is a Red Star challenge inspired by Darcy, Daisy, and Sparsha. Darcy and Daisy both made pancakes in the kitchen, while Sparsha made a sweet lassie. Your Red Star challenge is to help your mom or dad in the kitchen make something or bake something which involves you doing the measuring. And here is Sparsha preparing to make her sweet lassie.
Red?
300 ml.
Okay, just put it here. Okay. And milk
Milk.
with the right hand, please. It's 250 ml of, no, nearly 200 ml of.
ml of.
Oh,
Here.
yeah, it's nearly 200 ml of milk.
Milk.
Okay.
Let's pour it in here.
Now yogurt.
Yogurt.
Slowly, downward, slowly. So how many ml of yogurt you are going to use?
300 ml.
Okay, well done.
Now let's pour it in here.
Bistari. Bistari on it. You're messing up.
need some ice.
How many ice cubes?
5.
Okay. Of sugar.
Now 3 scoops.
Is it better? Like this. Three spoons of biscotti. No, just blend it.
First, I need to measure 250 milliliters of milk. And here goes. One hundred, 150, 200 milliliters, and almost at 250, just another little drop, and there's 250. So now we're pouring the flour, and Mrs. Ellis kindly agreed to help me, and we're using an electronic weighing scales, and we've been measuring units of volume. We've been measuring liquid in units of volume, milliliters, but to measure not a liquid but a solid substance, which would be flour, we don't use milliliters, we use something known as grams, and we haven't looked at grams yet. But to measure the weight of the flour or the mass of the flour, you need a weighing scales, and we've got an electronic kitchen weighing scales, and Mrs. L is going to pour in 115 grams of flour. And the flour goes in, you can see the numbers are rising in the scale. So we've got 78 grams, 91 grams. We've got to stop at 115. We're nearly there. There's 113, just 2 more grams. Mrs. L is doing an amazing job. 114, 115, that's perfect. So now we have 115 grams of flour. We've measured the milk already. Next, Mrs. L is going to crack an egg and put it into this mix. Okay, so the egg is the third and final ingredient. And there we go. So what you have to do next is you have to mix all of the ingredients with a whisk or a fork. Slowly add the milk to the flour and egg and beat the ingredients. Look how Mrs. L is slowly adding the milk. She's beating the ingredients, and suddenly the flour and the eggs turn into a thick mixture, a thick liquid, a thick batter. It's called pancake batter. So you gotta whisk out all of the lumps before you can cook the pancakes with this batter. Okay, the next step is to cook the pancakes, but you won't be doing this. This is something your mom or dad will do. If you're working on this recipe, or if you're using a stove, it's got to be your mom or dad, because it can be quite dangerous. So I'm just gonna pour the first pancake. Maybe a little more batter. There you go. And spread the batter. Good. Perfect. Delicious pancakes. So today's Red Star Challenge has got to be done with your mom or dad. You're not allowed to do it on your own. You need to make something in the kitchen with your mom or dad. Could it be pancakes like Darcy, Daisy, or Mr. L? What about Sparsha's lassie? Could you make a lassie in the kitchen with your mum or dad? Or have you any other recipes you could try? Please, just like Sparsha and Mr. L, take a quick video of you doing the task, especially the part of the task which involves you measuring ingredients in standard units. Upload your video onto your portfolio, and that's the Red Star Challenge. In the post, this dojo post, I will include the recipe for Sparsha's lassie, her sweet lassie, and for my pancakes. Also, you can see on this recipe uploaded by Daisy, it's measured in non-standard units. So, we look forward to seeing your videos, and good luck with this Red Star Challenge.